June 6th, Friday. So, my name is Jenny Rose Togadi, and today I'll going to discuss for this Philippine history subject this one famous and oldest church in Batangas. So, this is Basilica of Saint Martin Tours Al Basilica. This is one of the beautiful church that I ever visit. Pakaganda. It's so beautiful. May kasal sa ito. Tingnan natin muna ito. Okay, so this is the Taal or ang Basilica ng Taal. 1575. Grabe. So ang Basilica ng Taal, unang itanayo ni Padre Greco Espina noong 1575. Sa ngayon ay San Nicolas na natin bahagi ng Balamon. Nag-iba noong 1754 nang pumutok ang bulkan. Pinagawa sa kasalukuyang pinatatayuan noong 1755 at iginuho ng linggoy noong 1849. So, namin na pinag-aanan na kinikilalang pinakamalaking simbahang Katoliko sa Dakong Silangan. So, that's the reason why I'm seeing this one of the biggest church. Saan na ba tayo? Pinakamalaking simbahan sa Katoliko sa Dakong Silangan. Ang kasalukuyang simbahan ay sinimulan noong 1856 ayon sa ibinalangkas ni Luciano Oliver, isang arkitekto. Pinasinayaan ito noong 1860. Okay? So ito siya. Let's check it out. Silip lang tayo kasi medyo merong special event that is happening. So tingnan lang natin. Sa loob sandali kasi meron special event that's happening right now. May kinakasal. So silipin lang natin. Hindi naman tayo i-rush. Ganda. It's beautiful. Look at these details. Medyo mainit lang, but it's okay. Anyway, it's still a good day kasi umuulan, diba? So okay na to. At least we're able to make this vlog for our Philippine history subject. So ngayon, let's try if we can walk around dun sa other places na itong church na to. Ayan. So ito na nga, naglalakad na tayo sa paligid ng church. So ayan, ang daming mga ancestral houses na mukhang they still able to maintain the beauty. Kung ni-renovate man nila or they're able to maintain the original you know, material. Pero it's amazing. So try natin umikot pa ganon. So ito fort, I think fort nila dito. Let's see. Init lang talaga. It's just 15 minutes before 10 AM, pero it feels like tanghali na. It's okay. At least we're able to enrich our knowledge about our culture. Since this specific place that close to this church is very rich when it comes to history, and even the houses, na imagine na they were still able to maintain. Nakaka-amaze yun kasi not all the places na definitely, because we've been under the Spanish era for 300 years, pero hindi naman lahat you know, they're able to maintain yung ganitong naiwang like this infrastructure or houses. So I could say what I learned from this vlog or tour is kung gaano kayaman talaga, kung gaano kayaman ang ating bansa when it comes to the culture, lalo na sa culture na iniwan ng mga Spaniards. No wonder, kasi nga naman 300 years, di ba? So kaya what I'm really happy about is yun nga, that they really able to maintain yung beauty ng ganitong mga bahay, even the church. Kasi maganda rito is mai-share pa natin siya sa ating susunod na henerasyon, na you know, may makikita pa rin sila na mga naiwang alaala mula sa ating kanununuan. So, and yun nga, alamin yung history ng Taal, especially this Taal Basilica. So I guess that's all for now. I hope you will enjoy this video.